Hi, Marcus here from 4POS. Today I'm doing some unboxing videos. Today we'll start firstly with the 4POS all-in-one touch system. I want to explain to you what's inside the box, how to get it out, how to pack it, how to switch it on, how to get going with it. Bear with me. Okay, it's out of the box. Let's start off with the basics. First of all, don't throw the box away. Inside the box is your return policy, in other words the policy that we would ask you to please abide by in terms of repairs or returns or anything wrong with the unit. Remember that it's a Windows PC, so customers unfortunately get into all sorts of things about loading specific users and changing passwords and then can't get into the system, etc., etc., and then they just want to give it back. No, unfortunately we can't just take it back. We need the full packaging and then we can possibly reload Windows for you to help you, to assist you to get going again. Furthermore, inside the box we've also very clearly marked, as you can see from the big arrow that we've tried to make it easier for you. Big arrow, this is your voucher number, the 4POS voucher number. Okay. This is the unit. It's very simple. It comes with a transformer, external transformer that you could put underneath the counter or something like that. I haven't unhooked the cables now just to show you what it looks like. It also has a protective screen on it, or protective plastic on it. Please remove it once you want to use it. In terms of the physical unit, let's look at the specs and the items. It's quite a light product. That's all involved. 2 USBs on the side. You'll see all the specs on the screen. At the bottom, I'm going to try and open it up a little bit so you can see at the bottom. So at the bottom we've got our 4 USB ports at the bottom. We've got a LAN cable. We have 2 serial ports. We also have an external VGA monitor if you want to add an extra monitor onto it for whatever reason. And also sound jacks on there as well. The unit obviously comes with a base that can be moved. In other words, you can adjust it to a way that will suit you in your environment. Then in the base, it's got a hollow base. You can put it, I'll show you from this side possibly. In other words, this is where you can put all your cables and stuff through. The cables will go through the back of it, there where my finger is there, and come out at the bottom, so it's all nice and tidy once you've tied it up. Okay, so let's switch it on and let's see what we've got here. Alright, so the unit also has an SSD card in there, which means it's a solid state drive. It's very fast, and it will obviously give you many years of life, many years of use. Now on the unit, as you can see, the Windows starts up quite nicely. Windows has been pre-licensed. It's loaded, the license is in fact loaded into the BIOS. So even if the hard drive crashes, we'll still be able to recover and use the BIOS or the Windows license inside the BIOS. The unit comes on. Now once you've received the unit, you switch it on, all the rest of it. 4POS is already loaded, the Wi-Fi has already been configured. In other words, the drivers for the Wi-Fi has been loaded. You can simply just click on the Wi-Fi and connect to your own network. The 4POS 58mm printer has already been installed. So for all intents and purposes, you're ready to go. You can immediately just go into the 4POS back office program, type in your voucher number that you will find on the box, and you'll be able to license the software and carry on working from there. Screen comes up where you can type in your voucher number, your company details, emails, etc., etc. These are all the information that will appear on your receipt for your business itself. Okay. So for now, I'm just going to skip and say register later, and the system will prompt me for a username and password. Default username and password is just simply click OK. And as you can see, we're in. The software is up and running. You can start working. That's the unboxing of the all-in-one touchscreen. I don't think it can be easier than that. Give us a shout if you have any problems with that. Thank you for your time.